Hey, I'm Melissa from Resilience Law, and I'm here answering your questions about Social Security disability. Today I'm answering questions from Reddit, and today's question is, how did you decide which attorney to use? Obviously, I'm biased that I'm a great Massachusetts-based Social Security attorney, but in general, here's what I would suggest for picking an attorney. Probably you don't want one of the big guys with a billboard. I would suggest you look for someone who's a little bit smaller. Word of mouth is a great way to find somebody. Google reviews aren't bad. Usually those are pretty honest, but again, at these big firms, they may be sending people gift cards or there may be some kickback for reviews. So take them with a grain of salt, but it's definitely one way to look around. If you don't know anybody, my general suggestion would be to go with a medium-sized firm or a small firm. The big box firms, the ones that you see with the TV commercials, are probably not going to be able to provide you with personalized attention. You may not meet your attorney or even know your attorney's name until you walk into the hearing with them. As a small firm attorney, I do my own consultations, so I meet with my clients from day one, and I work with them throughout the process up until the hearing so that they know going in that I know their claim, I've reviewed their medical records, I've created the theory of the case on my own. These haven't been handed to me the morning of the hearing, and I'm rolling in with a complete stranger to represent them. If you are looking, you can certainly call firms and see who's responsive, who calls you back. When you call back, who are you talking to? Is it a receptionist? Is it a case manager? Is it the attorney? And then, certainly you can do a couple of consultations. Social Security consultations are always free, or at least almost always free, to the best of my knowledge, from other firms. And you can see how that goes. Does the firm seem like they do a lot of Social Security? Does the person doing the intake, whether it's a case manager or a lawyer, do they know what they're talking about? Do they give you an honest evaluation of your claim? Often at these intakes, I'm not giving a super positive outlook about the claim. I try to be really realistic and honest about the hardships of applying for Social Security. Not everybody has a good case. I don't get a lot of slam dunks. If you have a slam dunk case, you might not need a lawyer. So you want somebody who's going to be willing to be a little bit blunt and upfront with you about your claim, but still compassionate and sympathetic that you are dealing with this serious condition or set of conditions that's making you disabled, versus somebody who's looking to check the check boxes and kick you out of the office as fast as possible. So if you're looking for help picking an attorney, if you have any other questions about what makes a good Social Security attorney, drop them in the comments and I will try to get to them. Again, my name is Melissa. I'm a Social Security attorney. Give me a call. Let's get started.